C4.1, 13 and 14. Number 13 tells you that group 1 metals react with chlorine quite vigorously, and they give compounds, colorless compounds of the formula MCl. Now what does that actually mean? I've already said that group 1 metals, if you replace any group 1 metal with one another, they all react similarly. So we can write M instead of lithium, sodium, potassium, and the reaction is equally true still. It will react. If I look at the reaction of sodium and chlorine, for example, I've got 2 atoms of sodium and a molecule of chlorine here, and when they react, I get 2 NaCl out of it. But it's equally true for lithium, and equally true for any other group 1 metal. They all react with chlorine, they all give colorless, that means white, salts, according to the formula MCl. Now remember please that sodium is a metal, and therefore 2 atoms of sodium are not bonded, chemically bonded to one another, whereas 2 atoms of chlorine in the element, because it goes around as a pair, it's a gas, are of course chemically bonded. So therefore the 2 goes in front of the sodium, whereas the 2 goes as a subscript next to the chlorine molecule. Number 14 is fairly simple again. It just tells you that the group 1 metals, the trends for reactivity is going down the group. And I've already referred you to the video links in the document, so you can see that lithium reacts fairly mildly with water, sodium reacts fairly more vigorously, and then as I go down the group, potassium reacts even more vigorously, and the last one that's on the system, presumably either ChemSet, you can probably look it up there, is cesium, and that actually shatters the ball. So if you've seen the experiments, you'll know what I'm talking about.